Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add the Fibonacci retracement on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. Then click on any place in your chart like this and click on this icon. Now here you will see your Fibonacci. Okay, if you can't see it, click on plus. Now scroll down here until you see Fibonacci and choose this one, Fibonacci Retracement. Click on it and now you can add your Fibonacci. So let's say for example I want to add it from here to here like this. Okay, as you can see. So this is our Fibonacci. If you want to add it again, all you have to do is click on your chart, click on this icon again, and you will see Fibonacci here as you can see on favorite object. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.